Okay, it's very precise.
Dyson, who has some iconic and revolutionizing hot tools, really, they are the leaders in groundbreaking beauty innovations when it comes to hair. They have come out with hair styling products. Are they any good? Let's get into it. Just to give you guys a little bit of background on this. So this is called Chitosan. It is a pre-style cream that comes in 4 different formulas. So you have straight to wavy with light conditioning. There's straight to wavy with rich conditioning. There's curly to coily with light conditioning, and curly to coily with rich conditioning. I have fine wavy hair, so I chose straight to wavy with light conditioning. This is not cheap at all. Okay, this is $70 Canadian for 100 ml. I'll put all of the American pricing up on the screen. You can buy the 15 ml instead if you don't want 100 ml. You can buy that for $25, and then the 100 ml refill is $65. If you compare that to the cost of other hair products, that's actually very, very expensive, just like all of the Dyson things. The Dyson blow dryer is way more money than all other blow dryers. The Airwrap is way more money than all other tools that are sort of similar to it, although it was an innovator in the hair wrap for sure. But all of these, tools are top of the line in terms of price point. And I was hoping that maybe the styling product would be different, but it's not. It's also definitely considered like top of the line in luxury pricing for sure. Just so you know, they also have a post-styling serum for all hair types, but we're just going to be focusing on the pre-styling cream today. Okay, so we have a little magnetic cap here. Very Dyson of them. It's a sexy little package, I gotta say. Like, it does feel very nice and very high end. And then it pumps out like this. It smells really nice and it has a nice light texture. So I think the reason that Dyson decided to go in this avenue, other than the fact that it's really easy money to go with their hot tools, but I think the reason they really, really went down this road, and this is just me assuming, is because the Dyson Airwrap gets so much criticism for the styles not holding in the hair. It's a huge thing that people criticize on the actual Airwrap, right? That the curls don't hold. And I can confirm that that's true. I've used this on so many clients. I prepped bridal hair with this a lot. And it is a great hair prep hot tool. It will make the hair voluminous and gorgeous, but truthfully, it doesn't hold. And I think that criticism probably got in Dyson's ear, so they created this to help with that. So according to Dyson's associate principal design engineer, his name is Sam Burrows, they have been working on this specific formula for over 5 years. So it's been a long development time. And they finally decided to make their hero ingredient this, which is called Chitosan. And Chitosan is derived from oyster mushrooms. It was sourced specifically to provide structure and hold, and also extend style retention, which completely makes sense because of the criticism of this bad boy, right? Extend style retention. It makes sense. It's brilliant marketing. It really makes sense. And if it works, it's going to be a game changer for a lot of people who love their Dyson Airwrap, but hates that it doesn't hold. One thing that I got to tell you guys is that there's something that does stand out about this that I really, really like, and it's actually the packaging. Has really thoughtful packaging. So each bottle is equipped with a precision pump that dispenses exactly 0.22 milliliters of product. And this really allows you a lot of control. So you can kind of figure out how many pumps you need for your hair type after you use it a couple of times. Like for me, I need like 3 pumps. And then every single time I use it, I just pump 1, 2, 3, and I'm going to get the same results. Whereas with other packaging, when you just squirt a little bit in your hand, you end up with a different amount every time. And that can actually really impact the way that your hair styles, because it can be a little heavy on one day or not enough control on another day. So I love that. I could also see that being really good for not overusing the product. So it could last you a little bit longer. I know that's a bit of a stretch, but I really do feel like that's actually pretty thoughtful and very interesting. Okay, while I style my hair, let's watch some reels about it. Most of the reels are sponsored. I was looking for unsponsored reels, but they're all sponsored, with the exception of a couple. But anyway, let's watch and then we can reflect on it together, okay?
Round brushes used to scare me. My hair is because I used a round brush. Starting with Dyson's Chitosan Freestyle Cream. Finishing off with Dyson's Chitosan Chitosan Post Style Serum. It's gonna hold without making it stiff. And here's the finished look. This hair is giving thanks to these bad boys right here.
Just so you guys know what I'm doing, I have to use this attachment first because my hair is so frizz prone that if I just go in with this attachment, my hair is just like too frizzy. It needs to be controlled. The cuticle needs to be smoothed down first before I curl. So I go in with this. I get it, 80% dry, and then I go in with this.
Introduce you to your new blowout bestie. New from Dyson, the Chitosan Restyling Cream. Please look at how this dispenses. 2 pumps is all you need. Sure. So you're going to apply this to damp hair before you stop. I think Dyson heard us loud and clear that we hate curls that fall only a couple minutes after our blowout. So this product is going to give you long-lasting, touchable hold. It's going to have all that movement. And please, look at the bounce. It takes a lot to impress me hair product-wise. And I have to say, my first impression was even before this video was filmed. Absolutely fell out at how incredible this was. My curls lasted for days. So round of applause, Dyson, you gave the girls exactly what they needed.
I don't know about that. That's a lot of hair for 2 pumps. That's a lot of hair for only 2 pumps. I don't know, maybe I'm just being overly critical. I find I'm so overly critical with Dyson because they're just so bloody expensive, So I'm always like, really? Like the price just seems so outrageous to me every time. But I mean, if it's good, it's good. Okay, let's watch another one.
How do I pronounce it? Word?
Chitosan?
Chitosan.
다이슨에서 이제 화장품 만들기로 한 거예요.
This is like a pre-styling.
All hair types?
Post-styling. Holds and hydrates.
Pump it.
Pump.
Ooh. Oh, okay.
Oh, that's very precise.
Very lightweight.
Because I feel like most texture sprays are like gluing your hair together.
Like I feel like I don't even need to wash my hands.
This does not stick at all.
향 좋은데요?
It's magnetic.
If this is going to help retain my styles, I'll be sold for sure.
I am excited about this. Well, you want to put these in your bathroom. They just make it prettier.
We see that in my bathroom, like standing right there.
Okay, look at this. So Dyson posted this one. Okay, and it's all about the refill. So all of our full-size Dyson Chitosan products are refillable and built to last. Order a refill and follow the instructions on the cartridge to replace. You can even recycle the used cartridge after use. So there is so much criticism. If you go down the rabbit hole of this post, there's a lot of criticism. For one, the refill is only $5 less, which I think, I don't know. I mean, I guess that makes sense because it's the product that you're paying for, not necessarily the packaging. So $5 less is still something. But where people are mad is this. It's not even recyclable at home, really. No one has a plastic recycling facility in their house, and there's no guarantee it'll be recycled if you send it off. So Dyson Beauty, this isn't a refill, just a new bottle. You put the pump case back on. Look at all this. Why not just put product in a bag for refill option? I think that's a great question, right? This is a great question. Why not just put a bag in here that, I mean, maybe it's harder for it to, but I mean, Dyson is so good at innovation. It would be a really good option for the environment, for the earth, if they could replace the inside with something that's more recyclable. So to make the refill more sustainable, you put more plastic around a ready-to-dispense product. Great way to sell 2 plastic products, all in the name of sustainability. People are pissed. Look, this is terrible. So many comments. I would love to know what you guys think about that in the comment section below. Let me know what you think about the refillable option and how this is refilled. I don't know what my thoughts are on it yet. I'd love to hear what your thoughts are. So let me know, please, in the comment section below. I'd love to know. Okay, I went in with very, very low expectations. I don't know why. I just thought that this was overpriced for what it is, but I gotta be honest, it is really good. I recently did a video with Justin Haycox where I tested 5 very popular anti-frizz, like heat protectant styles. I blow dried my hair without any product at first. And then I blow dried my hair with all the different products and showed the after. And then I sat in some steam to see how it would affect my hair texture and how much frizz I would get. So I have just blow dried my hair with multiple different products, 5 to be exact. And Even though this isn't the same type of product, that those are anti-humidity, anti-frizz products, this is more of a holding product. I can tell you that this isn't just like a generic kind of cream emollient product that's going to control frizz. This really is intended to give hold, but it's completely different than like Moroccan oil, for example. Let me grab that. So this, for example, is a root boost product. So it's also supposed to give volume and lift and hold a style. But when you apply this on your hair, even though it definitely works to lift and boost and do all the things it says it's supposed to do, and it does that in a really good way, it doesn't feel the same as this. It still feels very different. This kind of has a tacky, gritty feel. They said that this was weightless, and they're right. It is like, it feels like there's nothing in the hair at all. You really cannot feel it in the hair at all, but you get so much shaping from it. Like, look at how much shape I have from it. I actually love it. This does exactly what it says it's supposed to do. Well, there you go. Dyson for the win. Let me know in the comments if you're gonna try it, and if you have already tried it, let me know what your thoughts are down below. This video's over.